Welcome to NAB Show 2024,
the preeminent event for the entire media and broadcast industry.
right here in Las Vegas.
So Chris O'Brien, hello, here we are. Good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing really well.
And here we are at NAB 2024. Can you tell us, how is Telescript International positioned in the broadcast, media and entertainment industries?
That's a great question. You know, Telescript's been around a long time, supporting broadcasters in many different ways. We're also supporting people who are actually going out in the field and doing events, the Pro AV market, so it's a pretty broad range that we're covering, and we think that we're providing the products that people really need and want.
What are you showcasing here at NAB 2024 this year?
So this is an exciting year for us. So the one thing that we're doing is a 24-inch 4K 12G SDI monitor. That's a full IP monitor as well too. So we're supporting 4K under IP as well. We're NDI certified, which means that our device will work with anything in the NDI ecosystem. And we also support other IP streams, including SRT and a couple of others. So it's a really great product that we're introducing. You can use it as a monitor or even a teleprompter. So it's the first one in the market. It's a really great product. We're looking forward to delivering it.
That's very exciting. Now, who are you targeting with this and what are the prospective use cases?
See, that's the thing, it's so broad. It would be for the Pro AV, it'll be broadcast. I mean, anyone who needs to use IP or SDI, which is the world that we're in. And it'll really be the product that stands out in the prompting world.
Great. And what are you seeing unfolding with regards to trends in the industry?
Yeah, that's a great question. So the industry is really about IP now. I mean, that's kind of the way it's going. I mean, SDI is a staple. It's going to stay in the industry. It's a great product, but also too now we're looking at things like IP. And so the 2110 and NDI and other IP streams streams are the way of the future, so it's going to be a collaboration. Here in our booth, that's what we're doing. We're doing SDI with NDI. So every product here does both, and so that's where the future is going, in IP and SDI.
And talking about the future, what does the future hold for Telescript International?
Well, you know, it's just about products, you know, and so that's what we're trying to do. On the software side, we're actually adding a product that we're calling Max for Mac. So it's the first Mac-based teleprompting solution from Telescript, and we've been providing software since the 1980s. So for us, it's a really big deal, but for the market, we're going to deliver a product that is just so much better than anything else in the market for Mac-based prompting.
Wow, very exciting times for you guys. And anything that you're really excited about personally?
I'm just glad that everyone's back. You know, all in honesty, you know, having those couple of years, not seeing everybody, it's great to talk on the phone, Zoom is nice, but in reality, it's just seeing everyone, getting to enjoy and collaborating with everyone in person is just incredible.
Absolutely. Well, I'm wishing you a fantastic show.
Thank you.